I mean, you name it, we got you covered. And I'm actually finishing up my marketing course, which is coming out soon. It will be also included in the mentorship program. The mentorship program also includes weekly live sessions, sometimes more than twice a week. So like the next week, we're going to do like a planning for 2025. So that week will have 2 sessions. If you can make it, fine. If not, everything is available by replay. What else with the, oh, you get a private chat in case you're stuck on an assignment or you have questions while you're studying the material. So we're very accessible. It's myself, Angela, and Alexis, and Jeffrey. Jeffrey's more a tech person, but he is a notary / signing agent too. So he's able to answer questions. And then we also came out with something that we're bringing back due to popular demand. So you guys speak, y'all, and we listen. So that's why it is good to speak up. And so we base our business on what you need. So we've had people say, you know what, Kimmi, I don't want to do mentorship. I just want to buy my course at a reasonable price. I want to own my course, and that's that. Guess what? It's back. We got 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025. You can buy your course if you don't want mentorship, and you can buy your course and you own it forever. Because that's the other thing. Some people are like, well, I don't like the mentorship because I want to own the course. Well, guess what? The courses are 60% off. Coupon code is WIN, WIN 2025, because we're going to be winning in 2025. And now you can buy your course again. So, and you could always buy them before, but they were, priced a little higher. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So now the coupon codes are back. And again, it is WIN2025. And it's 60% off all the courses. Angela and I have not spoken as of yet to add her course to the discount, the apostille and the wedding officiant. It may be coming, so you can just double check that. But at the time of this recording, all of Alexis's trainings and my trainings are 60% off using coupon code WIN2025. Okay? Let me get some of your questions and feel free to keep dropping them. Let's go back to Sandy says good ingredients on the smoothie. Douglas says you're going to sign up. We'll be looking for you. Do they incorporate, they do it in the corporate world? Yes, Sandy. What are you referring to? Because girl, we know we've been talking about a lot of stuff. So what do they do? Michael says, but whatever it is, yeah, I'm sure they do. Michael says, maybe not related to the topic of the moment, but after reviewing the max pays that notaries can charge from Secretary of State, I wonder how do we leverage that to make a full-time income out of this? Michael, that's why you need to be in my training, and that's why you need to know this pricing book. Right here. Pricing your notary services. Let's talk about the money. It's not that complicated. You're correct. If you just read what your Secretary of State handbook says and you don't understand it, then you will not make money. You won't, because you don't know how to price your services. You don't know how to make it a business. Some people will argue, well, the notary business, it was never supposed to be a business. That's the most foolish thing I ever heard in my life. That is the most foolish thing I heard in my life. Michael, hang out with me because I want you to hear this. I'm going to come back to the rest of these questions too. I've heard people say that you should not charge as a notary. Excuse me? Can you not go down to McDonald's? I said this yesterday, I think it was, or the day before. You can get in your car and drive down to McDonald's and pick up your own food. But nowadays, what happens? I can call somebody. I ain't even got to call. I can text them. I ain't got to talk to nobody. Bring me a Big Mac, a cheeseburger, a McNuggets, etc., to my house. And I pay for that. You pay for that. Your groceries. You can get in your car and you can go down there and pick up your groceries at Publix, Walmart, Kroger, right? But you pay for that service. I am offering a service as a notary. Now, my Secretary of State, for example, in the state of Georgia says I can only charge $2. Does this outfit look like it was only $2? I am exaggerating, but no, I'm really not though. The state of Georgia says $2. It really does. Okay. But my point is, I don't even charge the $2. My notarizations are free. Okay. I have about maybe 10, 15 videos on this channel alone about pricing. Okay. My notarizations are free. I don't even charge for that. But how do I make my money? I make my money the same way Uber makes their money. The same way, what's the other one that delivers your groceries? Well, Amazon Prime, how they make their money fresh when they bring out your groceries, the fees. Instacart, that's how I make my money on travel. I am the Uber of notaries, okay? Instacart, thank you. I am the Uber of notaries. So I make my money traveling to them. I make my money when they come to me because it's a convenience fee. Why is it a convenience fee? Now, each state is different as to what you can call it, what it is. Some people take issue with that. I don't care about all these other people taking issue with anything. If they don't know how to price their services, that is not my problem. If they don't know how to run an effective notary business, that is not my problem. That's why you are here, for me to help you. So it's kind of like, I always tell people, I don't get in Facebook groups arguing with people. They like, well, you shouldn't do this and you shouldn't do that and you shouldn't charge this and how dare you do that. I don't have those kind of discussions with people. If you want to know how to charge, if you want to know how to run a business, if you want to know how to make your notary business successful, then you are in the right place. But I do not get in other groups. I don't go on Clubhouse. If you notice, you don't never hear my name in no stuff. You do not hear my name because I don't do that. If you want knowledge, I can help you. But I don't argue with other YouTubers. I may mention some of what they say sometimes because I'm just like, we got to stop the madness right here. We're going to stop the stupidity, you know. I hate to say stupidity, but it's just like, you know what? You telling other people the notary business is dead, but you still running your business. That makes zero sense to me. And that's why I have to say something. It's kind of like, whoo, I cannot not say something, you know, when I hear something that's just like crazy. Sometimes I just let stuff go. I'm like, okay, why she say that? Why he say that? But then I'm like, I cannot hold it no more. I have to say something. So when I hear people make comments like, you shouldn't charge for notary services, you're a public servant. Oh, really? Oh, really? Let me tell Georgia Power I'm a public servant and see how far that get with paying my electric bill or my light bill. I mean, my electric, light, gas, etc., etc. Let me tell, I got Xfinity Mobile. Let me tell Xfinity Mobile, hey, you know what? I'm a public servant, so I don't have your money this month. Can you do something with that? Excuse me? I'm a public servant, but I'm offering a service, a valuable service, because I even know what I'm doing. How about that? If you notice, if you are a notary signing agent, how the pages of instructions are becoming longer and longer. I got certain companies I don't even work with no more because they send out 15 pages of instructions. I ain't even get to the signing yet. But why do they have to send out 15 pages? Because notaries don't know what they're doing. They don't. They don't know. So if you don't have a good foundation, and I say this from 4 years ago to I say it today, you don't have no business doing business if you don't know what you're doing. Because your package is going to get rejected. You are going to get blackballed. You are on the radar. Nowadays, there's so many notaries in the sense that, yeah, they jacking up stuff. There's a few of them out there, you know. It could be a lot of them, but they all messing up stuff. So then you got to call people who actually know what they're doing. So that's why the fees are low. You know, we get that all the time. When you can't make no money as a notary, the fees are too low. Why are the fees low? Because they got to pay 5 notaries to go out there and get it right. You don't want to be that notary. You don't. So I take issue when somebody tells you it's too late for you to start your business, but yet they're still running their business.